wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best oven mitts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Jolly Green Products ekogrips are made from a high-quality silicone so effective that you could grip and flip cooking foods by hand, even those on the grill. They come in one size fits most, and for those with meaty paws, a large and an extra large. They're useful for changing light bulbs and are water-resistant too. However, they can be slippery. At number 9, if you prefer the feel of traditional mitts but still want some of the benefits of silicone, check out these all-clad textiles. They're made from a stain-resistant cotton twill and treated with rubbery grips so that whatever you're holding doesn't get away from you. The thumb area is reinforced and they're both substantial and sturdy. They're good value for the price. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you're trying to save space in your kitchen, you might check out the acronde pinch mitts, which are small and light, yet keep you from burning your thumb and fingers. When you're finished, you can put them away easily, as each one has a nifty loop for hanging. They're completely BPA-free and textured for a good grip. However, note that they're not for lengthy contact with heat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for oven mitts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Grill Heat-Aid Revolutionary 932 degrees Fahrenheit offers style as well as protection. You can grab a pair in hot pink, mint, cool grey and more. If you have any budding chefs in your house, these might be a good choice, as they come in extra small for young cooks. The cuffs go past your wrists, and they can also be used for gardening, but note that they're not water resistant. Moving up our list to number 6. While they aren't made specifically for kitchens, the US Forge 400 welding provide excellent heat protection, since they're designed to withstand even molten metal. They're crafted from pliable, supple top-grain leather and feature a durable liner. These are useful for wood stoves and campfires too, and offer long-lasting durability. However, they only come in one color and size. Halfway up our list at number 5. Lined with cotton and insulated with Nomex and Kevlar fibers, the Makimy barbecue gloves will provide security and comfort up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. They can be used for barbecuing and indoor cooking and slide on easily since they're not hand-specific. These come with a grill recipe ebook and non-skid gripping surfaces, but the liner can be pulled out by accident. At number 4, the Kitchenaid Asteroid Mini are a 100% cotton construction with diminutive heart-shaped pads for comfortable, safe cooking. Smaller than many, they aren't designed to fit over your wrists, but this makes them easy to maneuver without a lot of bulk. They come in bright and neutral colors, and each is 8 inches long. However, note they shouldn't be put in the dryer. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Cuisinart Insulated are plush and flexible with a textured non-slip silicone grip insert where you need it. The puppet design gives them a wide mouth for grasping large pots and pans, while also making them easy to put on and take off either hand. They're available in several colors, all with a durable silver hanging hook. These are long enough to protect your forearms. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for oven mitts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, from pizza stones to Dutch ovens, the Grill Armor Extreme Heat have got you covered, since they'll keep you safe up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite this protective power, they're lightweight and not at all bulky, offering flexibility. They won't burn when exposed to flames and are available in 3 sizes, all backed by a lifetime money-back guarantee. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the sturdy silicone homwe Professional protect not only your hands but also your wrists and arms with an extra long quilted lining that lets you reach in and grab even those pots that are shoved way back into the back of your oven. These are machine washable and can double as trivets, and they're affordably priced for a pair too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for oven mitts, or simply click beneath this video.